good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're connected from. On behalf of God's peculiar family, Imo State, I bring you greetings. I'm Bruce Relayan by name, so I'm the convener that will be handling the seminar on CCTV camera installations. If you check the flyer there, you will see some of the things attached, which is the solar installation, CCTV, electrical wiring and design. So we have all these packages in play, but because of time frame, we'll be starting with the CCTV. So now, the way we design this, we want to make it in a unique way, whereby maybe if time couldn't permit us to complete it the way we program it, we can still continue it thereafter. So it's a privilege for all, and I want us to, commit ourselves. Those of us that are interested in the package, maybe you want to learn solar installation. I know you may not get everything, online, but God helping us will make it in a way that every one of us that will be connected to this will benefit. So we'll be starting with CCTV, and that CCTV will cover everything about your security, because CCTV, the closed circuit television, is something that everyone must pay attention to, because it's all about your security. So just follow us as we unveil this package to you using this our platform. So God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for flowing. Let's move.
So this is the CCTV camera. As you can see, this is the carton. So this is called PTZ camera. You can see it written on the body. So this PTZ means that it can turn, that is, it can pan, you can tilt and you can zoom it. That is the PTZ. Alright, so this camera is solar enabled. Looking at it there from the drawing there, you can see the solar panel on top, then the camera below. So let's show you now. Look at it. So this is the camera pass. As you can see here, this is the camera pass. Now I'm going to show you how to couple this camera, how to set it up. So anytime you're installing, look at that thing, you tear it out. Alright, you tear it out as it is there. So after that, what you do next is to put your SIM card and as well your memory card. Look at it there. So this is the position of the SIM card. Then where you see the TF is for the memory card. Alright, now after inserting your SIM card and your memory card, what you do next, you have to connect the panel to the camera. So that is it now. So watch how you do that. Looking at the ports, you can see the male port and the female port. Then at that female port, you see a line. So make sure that it is directly, to that line, the way it is there. Then you plug it in. After plugging it in, you screw, to hold firmly. So that is, so you screw it to hold it firmly. So after that, remember now, if I forget, we have a dual lens, we also have single lens. So this is single lens at the moment, but I'll be combining the both the dual lens and the single lens. So you now put the patches, you put the batteries at the panel side, you open it and you put the batteries there. So after that, you close it and tighten it up. Alright, so when you are done with that, what you do next is for you to um switch on. Alright, so you can switch on, and at that time you're about configuring the camera. So I'll show you how to set it up here now. That is on your phone, because you use your phone to survey what's happening. So this is the power port, as you can see. So you switch on. Once you switch it on, it will be blinking. So then it comes blue. It comes blue because it has gotten signal, it has gotten network, and that is coming from the SIM card that you've already inserted. Alright, so this is it again, as I said earlier about the SIM card. So the SIM card and the memory card goes in opposite to each other. So you face the SIM card down, and the memory card will now be facing the direction of the SIM card. That is how it's done. So look at it now, how we insert the memory card. Look at it, you can see there. So that is exactly how you insert the memory card for storage. Alright, then the SIM card is for network connectivity. So, and this camera is something that you subscribe on a monthly basis depending on the plan you're using. Okay, so this is it now. After that, you visit back to the panel and you couple, you see it there, so you put it there, then you tighten it. All right, you tighten it. Okay, so after tightening it, then you can now set it up on your phone. Okay, you can now set it up on your phone, because that is the coupling aspect. Now this is the dual lens, as I said. See the difference, this one has two lens. So the initial one I showed you earlier, you can see that it's one lens it has, but this one has two, up and down. Okay, this is how it is. It has two, and the panel is separate from the camera. So that's the way you mount it. Okay, look at the panel here. See that it's separate from the camera itself, and the same way that is the pattern, you mount it. Okay, so I'm going to show you clearly all the steps involved. The same way of coupling uh, is how all of them are done. So this is the environment. Okay, this is the environment, and after this now you're gonna see how it will capture this whole environment. So this environment we are testing it with. Okay, so we're gonna see all these places from the camera, because after mounting we're gonna test run it. Now let's configure. Then you have to download this app, ubus. So after downloading your ubus, you register normal, select your region and all that. So you click on this 4G. All right, you click next. Then it will request to scan. On the body of your camera, you see where the QR code is. Look at it there. So you scan it. All right, you scan it. At the moment of scanning it, remember your network must be connected, showing blue light steady, so it will connect. Then you click on next. All right, you click on next. Watch and see now. It said congratulations, camera installed successfully. So now you can view the camera. Look at it. So let's see how what we have here. Okay, so this is it now. Okay, this is it. Now remember that you can remotely control the camera. You can remotely control the camera. All right, so this point here is the navigation key. This is for the voice when you want to speak to the camera. This when you want to take screenshots. This is when you want to take a video of what the screen is displaying. Now as you're navigating, you can see that the camera is also turning. You can see it now, it's also turning, so you can tilt it. You see, look at it from that remote. So as you click there, it will go to the same direction where you are navigating it to. So that is it, and this is something you can monitor from any location. So wherever you are in the world, once you have network over there, no matter where your camera is, you can survey the activities and you can control the camera remotely. So that is the advantage of this particular camera. Remember I said this PTZ, and this particular one I'm showing here is the single lens. All right, so look at what I was explaining. You can see as I click here, you can see that it's rotating to that direction. So the screen display is now giving me a new direction, which is what I'm controlling it from the remote control at my end. So you can see the movement here. All right, so that is it. And at this particular time, the camera also saves and stores the information. All right, now this is the aspect of installing. So here now we have two methods, either the one on pull, depending on how the environment is, or the one you put at the wall of the building or close to the roof. All right, so here now we are putting it on the pull. So now watch and see how it's done. Okay, so we use the banding wire. This is the galvanized banding wire. All right, so use something with quality. Okay, so this is galvanized. So this is how it is done. When you put it at that position, you hold it firmly like this. So when you tighten it, your camera will stand strong there. All right, so that is it. And at this point, it can capture this whole environment. You can capture this whole environment. Of course, you're gonna see the view from here. So let's see what you have. So this is it. These are the cameras display. This is for dual lens, and this is for single lens, which is the one I showed you last. So this is it. This is dual lens, this is single lens. You get the point now. So the dual lens will give you double view at once, as you can see here, in different directions in one camera lens. Okay, so this is it. This is another dual lens. Of course, look at it, it's another dual lens. So that is the difference between the dual lens and the single lens. So dual, which is two, each lens goes in different direction depending on how you set it and how you remote it to be. Okay, so these are all dual lens. Then the single lens is just one screen. All right, so that is it. So at this particular time, remember, you are now using your phone to monitor the activity from any location of your choice. You understand? So whether you're in Nigeria or outside the country, that is it. So thank you for following. So if you have any question, you can write me. Thanks.